Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we continue the story of chocolate dumplings by exploring variations, serving ideas, and creative twists that make this dessert even more exciting and versatile for different tastes and occasions. There are also many variations of chocolate dumplings that explore different flavor combinations. Dark chocolate versions offer a deeper, slightly bitter taste that appeals to those who prefer less sweetness. Milk chocolate versions are creamier and more familiar, while white chocolate creates a softer, buttery flavor profile. Some creative versions include fillings like peanut butter, hazelnut spread, caramel, or even fruit-based fillings like mango or strawberry. These variations show how flexible the concept can be, allowing endless experimentation. The dough itself can also be modified in creative ways. Some recipes include cocoa powder in the dough to create a double chocolate effect, while others use matcha or vanilla for a more subtle flavor contrast. These small changes can influence the overall balance of the dessert, making it richer, lighter, or more aromatic depending on the ingredients used. This flexibility is one of the reasons chocolate dumplings are becoming popular in modern dessert culture. Making chocolate dumplings at home is not only about the final product, but also about the process. It encourages patience, creativity, and attention to detail. Rolling the dough, shaping each piece, and sealing the filling can be relaxing and satisfying. It can also be a shared activity where family or friends gather in the kitchen to prepare them together. The anticipation of cooking and tasting the finished dumplings adds to the overall enjoyment. One of the most important techniques in making chocolate dumplings is controlling the thickness of the dough. If the dough is too thick, it can overpower the filling and create a heavy texture. If it is too thin, it may break during cooking and cause the chocolate to leak out. Finding the right balance ensures that the dumpling holds its shape while still remaining soft and pleasant to eat. This balance is key to achieving a professional quality result. Another important step is properly sealing the edges of the dumpling. This is usually done by pressing firmly or using a folding technique to ensure no gaps remain. Some people even use a bit of water or egg wash to help the dough stick better. This step may seem simple, but it is essential for keeping the chocolate inside during cooking. A well-sealed dumpling ensures a perfect surprise when bitten into. Chilling the chocolate filling before assembling is another helpful tip. This makes the filling firmer and easier to handle, especially when working with warm hands or in a warm kitchen. It also reduces the risk of the chocolate melting too early during assembly. This small preparation step can significantly improve the success of the final result, especially when making larger batches. Over time, chocolate dumplings have evolved from a simple experimental dessert into a symbol of culinary creativity. They represent how traditional cooking techniques can be adapted to modern tastes. By combining familiar methods with universally loved ingredients like chocolate, they bridge cultural and culinary gaps. This evolution shows that food is always changing, adapting, and reinventing itself while still honoring its roots. Chocolate dumplings are suitable for many occasions. They can be enjoyed as a comforting snack on a quiet evening, a special dessert for gatherings, or a creative dish for celebrations. Their warm, rich nature makes them especially appealing during cold or rainy weather, when comfort food is most appreciated. At the same time, their elegant presentation makes them suitable for more formal dessert settings. When you finally take a bite of a chocolate dumpling, the experience is layered and memorable. The soft outer dough gives way to a warm, flowing chocolate center that spreads across the palate. The combination of textures, temperatures, and flavors creates a moment of pure indulgence. It is simple, yet deeply satisfying, and often leaves a lasting impression long after the dessert is finished. In the end, chocolate dumplings are more than just a recipe. They are an example of how creativity can transform basic ingredients into something extraordinary. They remind us that cooking is not only about nourishment, but also about experience, emotion, and imagination. Whether steamed, boiled, or fried, each version offers its own unique charm, making chocolate dumplings a dessert worth discovering, sharing, and enjoying again and again. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.